All, hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video we will see all the overview of Infosys Springboard platform, like how to enroll in the course, where you will see the list of enrolled course, how to complete the course and how to check it's completed or not, when to start the course and certification exam, how to take certification exam and how to check the score as well, and all the things detail like your progress of your course and all the thing. So let's get started. First we will search for the Infosys Springboard. You can search on Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Google. So first we will click on first link of Infosys Springboard. If you don't have account, then register yourself, click on the register button and then fill up your data like date of birth and everything, and then after that register yourself. If you have already account, then click on the login button and log in yourself. After that logging, you will see the web page of Infosys Springboard. Now we are on the home page of Infosys Springboard tab. So we will first click on the Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship banner because we have to complete the courses according our internship. So now we have to click on this, and after that you have to scroll down and see your domain, like which domain you have enrolled in. You have to complete that only courses. Now I'm clicking on Angular full stack as I have chosen Angular full stack. So now as well for Angular we have to complete this much of courses they have assigned here. So now I will click on JavaScript. You can see how to enroll the course. Simply you have to click on the start button, that's it, and you have simply enrolled in the course. Now you have to complete this course by content. You can see this is the first video we have to watch. We have to watch this video fully, then after that learn the things, and then after that there is one tab is content. You can see that much of you have to like cover the details. You can set the course is like syllabus, and these are the units you have to complete like identifier, data types. So simply first completing first, after that you have to click on this arrow, so you will get on the another content. There will be theory as well and video, they full-fledged, and there will be quiz as well, like one questions, and you have to complete the courses according to that. At the last, for all courses we have one assessment. This is not camera protected, we have to complete that. For this JavaScript assessment they have given 25 questions and 35 minutes. According to courses the time and questions limit will be changed, and we have to complete that. Simply you have to click on the start and that's it. You have to complete this. You can see here your learning progress as well. On clicking on the content, you can see if there is a double tick, that means you have completed that unit. And now clicking on this line, you can see that how many percent you have completed the course, like it's showing 0.90%. Now we will see how completed course will look like. So simply I will click on TypeScript because I have completed this course. You can see here this showing that I have completed course 100%. I can now generate certificate. You have to simply click on the generate certificate. Your certificate will be in your profile tab as well as they will give you on the email. So you have to simply click on that. So the completed courses will look like this. Now we will see for the certification, I will simply click on the Angular certification which we have to complete. So you can see here this certification of Angular web developer we have to complete. Simply I will click on this, and you can see I have not completed this certification. You can say status not certified. So we have to first complete the pre-content of certification. I have already done this course, so pre-content is already completed. That's why I can take the certification. Otherwise we will not get the certification exam. So you can say I have completed my pre-content. Simply I have to click on take certification, after that take exam, and I will take the exam of this certification. Simply I will take exam, and after that we have camera protected test there. I have to give that, and then after that if I get 60%, then I will qualify for this certification, like I will get my certificate. So simply you have to get the 60% in this. If not, you will get the fail and you will not get the certificate. And if I get this, show you and now I will show you how certification completed exam will look like that. I have completed one of the artificial intelligence certification. I will show you how it will look like. So this you can see that learning process is 100%. I can download my certificate as well. That means I have taken this certification and I have completed this with score of above 65%. That's why I have get this certificate. Now we will see how to check your score, like how much you have completed and how much you will get in the certification, how much you mark have gotten, and what much you have to complete. We have to click on simply our, like you have to click on profile. After that, clicking on the profile, you can see that you have to click on achievements. After that, you can see all your batches here, and this is the assessment. We have get the quizzes, and like for certifications we have to click here, and for certification you can see your score here. Like I have completed this principle of generative AI, I have scored 85. Then Springboard of AI Primer certification, if you get the fail, you can see your score here as well, like when you have taken this exam and how much your percentile you have get, and which certificates you have downloaded, like which certificate you have to get downloaded. I can say you can get in the email as well. As if you have download here, you have to simply click on this button, click to download the certificate. If you see, you have to click on this I, and simply you can get your certificate and score as well.